Welcome to Chiapas, a land where towering mountains pierce the clouds and ancient rainforests teem with life. Chiapas, in southern Mexico, is a land of dramatic contrasts, a tapestry woven from vibrant cultures and breathtaking landscapes. Join me as we journey through this captivating region, exploring its hidden waterfalls, its vibrant jungles, and the echoes of its ancient past. From the depths of the Sumidero Canyon to the misty peaks of the Chiapas highlands, we will encounter a biodiversity unlike anywhere else on Earth. Prepare to be captivated by the sights and sounds of this Mexican gem, a place where nature's wonders unfold at every turn. Our journey begins in the heart of Chiapas at the Sumidero Canyon, a monumental testament to the power of nature. Carved over millennia by the Grijalva River, these sheer limestone cliffs soar to heights of over 3,000 feet, dwarfing the boats that navigate the waters below. As we drift along the emerald green river, the canyon walls rise around us, a spectacle of towering rock formations, sculpted by wind and water into an array of shapes. Peregrine falcons patrol the canyon heights, their sharp eyes scanning the depths below. Listen closely, and you might hear the echoing calls of spider monkeys swinging through the canopy that clings to the canyon's edge. These steep cliffs provide refuge for a surprising diversity of life, a testament to nature's ability to thrive even in the most dramatic of environments. The Grijalva River, its waters, teeming with fish, sustains communities along its banks. As we emerge from the canyon's embrace, blinking in the warm Chiapas sun, we carry with us the awe-inspiring memory of nature's grandeur. We venture now into the heart of Chiapas, into the emerald embrace of the Lacandan jungle, one of the last remaining rainforests in North America. Here, beneath a canopy so dense it seems to hold its breath, lies a world teeming with life, a symphony of sounds and colors that has played out for millennia. The air hangs heavy with humidity, thick with the scent of damp earth and exotic blooms. Sunlight filters through the dense foliage, painting dappled patterns on the forest floor. Jaguars, elusive and powerful, stalk the forest floor, their presence felt even when unseen. Listen carefully, and you might hear the echoing calls of howler monkeys, their voices carrying through the dense foliage. Brightly colored toucans, their beaks like rainbows, flit through the trees, feasting on the abundance of fruit. This jungle is a birdwatcher's paradise, a home to hundreds of species, their songs a constant chorus that rises and falls with the sun. The Lacandan jungle is also home to the Lacandan Maya, indigenous people who have lived in harmony with this forest for centuries. Protecting this precious ecosystem is not just about preserving biodiversity, it is about safeguarding a way of life, a culture intertwined with the forest's fate. The air hums with the sound of rushing water as we approach Agua Azul, a cascade of turquoise dreams tumbling over limestone steps. Chiapas, a land sculpted by water, is home to a breathtaking array of waterfalls, each a unique masterpiece carved by the relentless flow. Agua Azul, aptly named Blue Water, is a symphony in turquoise, a series of waterfalls cascading over mineral-rich rock, creating pools of shimmering brilliance that invite a refreshing dip. Deeper into the jungle's embrace lies Misolha, a single dramatic plunge of water that plummets over 100 feet, creating a misty curtain that shrouds the surrounding rainforest in an ethereal veil. The roar of the water is deafening, a testament to the raw power of nature, but these waterfalls are more than just breathtaking spectacles. They are vital lifelines, their waters sustaining a delicate ecosystem. These waterfalls, each with its unique beauty, are a testament to the power of water to shape the land and sustain life. Our journey takes us now to the highlands of Chiapas, where a string of jewels shimmers amidst a landscape of pine forests and mist-shrouded mountains. The Lagunas de Montebello, a collection of over 50 lakes, is a sight to behold, a kaleidoscope of colors that seems almost otherworldly. Each lake possesses its own unique hue, a result of the interplay between sunlight, mineral content, and the surrounding vegetation. Emerald green gives way to deep sapphire, turquoise blends seamlessly into jade, creating a breathtaking tapestry of color that seems to shift and change with the passing clouds. We glide silently across the surface of Laguna Encantada, its emerald waters so clear we can see the bottom, where fallen trees create an underwater forest, home to a variety of fish. The surrounding forest presses close to the water's edge, its reflection creating a mirror image that blurs the line between reality and illusion. In the distance, the majestic peaks of the Sierra Madre Mountains rise up, their slopes cloaked in emerald forests. This is a place of tranquility, a place to reconnect with nature and lose yourself in the beauty of your surroundings. The Lagunas de Montebello, a testament to the artistry of nature, will forever hold a special place in our memories. We ascend now into the cool embrace of the Chiapas highlands, a region where verdant mountains pierce the clouds, and traditional villages cling to the slopes, seemingly untouched by time. Here, amidst the swirling mists and vibrant cultures, we discover a different side to Chiapas, one where ancient traditions intertwine with breathtaking natural beauty. Pine forests dominate the landscape, their scent mingling with the smoke from cooking fires in nearby villages. This is a land of vibrant textiles where indigenous women weave intricate patterns that reflect their cultural heritage. The town of San Cristobal de las Casas, nestled in a high valley, embodies the spirit of the Chiapas highlands. Cobblestone streets wind their way past brightly painted colonial buildings, their terracotta roofs adorned with vibrant flowers. The air is alive with the sound of church bells, the rhythmic clangor echoing through the mountains. In the bustling marketplace, indigenous women in colorful traditional dress sell their wares alongside vendors hawking modern goods. As we leave San Cristobal behind, we carry with us a sense of wonder at the resilience of these mountain communities, their culture and traditions deeply rooted in the landscape. The Chiapas Highlands, a place where nature and culture intertwine, offer a glimpse into the soul of Mexico. We journey now to the heart of Chiapas's conservation efforts, to the El Triunfo Biosphere Reserve and the Montes Azules Biosphere Reserve, vast swathes of protected land that stand as a testament to the importance of safeguarding our planet's biodiversity. These reserves, encompassing a diverse range of ecosystems from cloud forest to lowland rainforests, are home to an astonishing array of plant and animal life, much of it found nowhere else on Earth. The El Triunfo Biosphere Reserve, shrouded in mist and cloaked in emerald green, is a haven for cloud forests, a unique ecosystem found only in tropical mountainous regions. Here, epiphytes cling to every available surface, their delicate roots drawing moisture from the humid air. Deep within the Montes Azules Biosphere Reserve, we catch a glimpse of a resplendent quetzal, its emerald plumage a flash of brilliance against the verdant backdrop. But these reserves are not just about protecting individual species, they are about preserving entire ecosystems, ensuring that the delicate balance of life is maintained for generations to come. The work being done here is crucial, not just for Chiapas, but for the health of our planet. The future of these reserves and the countless species they protect rests in our hands. Our journey takes us higher now into the misty embrace of Chiapas cloud forests, a realm where the air is thick with moisture and the line between earth and sky seems to blur. Here in this ethereal landscape, we witness the magic of nature at its most captivating. Imagine a forest where the trees are perpetually draped in a gossamer veil of mist, their branches laden with mosses and lichens that thrive in the humid air. Sunlight filters through the canopy in ethereal beams, illuminating the forest floor in a mosaic of light and shadow. Orchids, in a dazzling array of colors and shapes, cling to tree trunks, their delicate blooms a testament to the resilience of life in this challenging environment. A rustle in the undergrowth might betray the presence of a shy agouti, its brown fur blending seamlessly with the forest floor. High above, a troop of howler monkeys moves through the canopy, their calls echoing through the mist. These forests are vital not just for their biodiversity, but also for the ecosystem services they provide, such as water regulation and carbon sequestration. The cloud forests of Chiapas, a testament to the power of nature to inspire and amaze, will forever hold a special place in our memories. Our journey through Chiapas culminates amidst the ruins of a lost civilization, a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. Here, amidst the lush jungle growth, the ancient Maya city of Palenque rises from the rainforest, its stone temples and palaces whispering tales of a glorious past. Imagine stepping back in time over 1,000 years to a time when Palenque was a thriving metropolis, a center of power and learning in the Maya world. We wander through the ruins, marveling at the intricate carvings that adorn the temples, their depictions of gods and rulers, offering a glimpse into the beliefs and rituals of the ancient Maya. The Temple of Inscriptions, its towering pyramid rising above the jungle canopy, holds the tomb of Pakal the Great, one of Palenque's most renowned rulers. The jungle itself seems to whisper their stories, the rustling leaves and chattering monkeys carrying echoes of a time long gone. As we stand before the palace, its labyrinthine courtyards and towering walls are testament to the architectural prowess of the Maya. we are reminded of the impermanence of even the greatest civilizations. The ruins of Palenque, a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the ancient Maya, serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage for generations to come. They are a link to our past, a source of inspiration for the present, and a legacy for the future. Our journey through Chiapas culminates amidst the ruins of a lost civilization, a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. Here, amidst the lush jungle growth, the ancient Maya city of Palenque rises from the rainforest, its stone temples and palaces whispering tales of a glorious past. Imagine stepping back in time over 1,000 years to a time when Palenque was a thriving metropolis, a center of power and learning in the Maya world. We wander through the ruins, marveling at the intricate carvings that adorn the temples, their depictions of gods and rulers, offering a glimpse into the beliefs and rituals of the ancient Maya. The Temple of Inscriptions, its towering pyramid rising above the jungle canopy, holds the tomb of Pakal the Great, one of Palenque's most renowned rulers. The jungle itself seems to whisper their stories, the rustling leaves and chattering monkeys carrying echoes of a time long gone. As we stand before the palace, its labyrinthine courtyards and towering walls are testament to the architectural prowess of the Maya, we are reminded of the impermanence of even the greatest civilizations. The ruins of Palenque, a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the ancient Maya, serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving our cultural heritage for generations to come. They are a link to our past, a source of inspiration for the present, and a legacy for the future. As our journey through Chiapas draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder at the diversity and beauty of this remarkable state. From the depths of its canyons to the heights of its cloud forests, Chiapas has revealed itself to be a land of breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and ancient mysteries. We hope this journey has inspired you to experience the magic of Chiapas for yourself. Whether you seek adventure in its jungles, cultural immersion in its villages, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, Chiapas has something to offer every traveler. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.